Please stand by for an emergency message. 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 This is the BBC from London. A global pandemic is in progress. A biomedical national emergency is in progress. All citizens of the UK are under emergency curfew for the next 3 days. Emergency powers legislation has been activated. Do not leave your home. Any persons without identification will be shot. All UK
This is a broadcast of the Unified Intelligence Task Force. Stand by for an incoming emergency warning. An alien incursion is in progress. Guinevere surveillance probes have detected multiple spacecraft exiting the orbit of Planet 9 on an intercept course with Earth. Estimated arrival at Earth orbit, 6 hours. These craft are considered hostile to life on Earth. Seek shelter immediately. It is likely major population centers will be destroyed. Evacuate immediately. A second group of spacecraft have been detected crossing the Oort cloud and are on an intercept course with Earth. Estimated arrival at Earth orbit, 9 hours. These craft are considered extremely hostile. These craft have been identified as product of the species known as Cybermen. Cybermen are lethal to human life.